In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text watermark from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Before we start, a quick reminder. Only remove watermarks from documents you own or have permission to modify. Watermarks often indicate ownership or review status, so make sure you're complying with your organization's or client's policies. Have your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat Pro. The Pro version is important here because the watermark tools aren't available in Reader. It's also a good idea to save a backup copy first so you can always return to the original if you need it later. Begin by opening the editing controls. In Acrobat Pro, look for Edit PDF. You can find it in the right-hand panel or under the Tools tab. Click Edit PDF to activate the editing toolbar for the document. You'll know you're in the right place when you see options for text, images, and layout appear along the top. With the editing tools active, locate the watermark option. It typically appears in the secondary toolbar within Edit PDF. Click Watermark to open the Watermark menu. This area controls document-level watermarks, meaning the text that's been applied consistently across pages, like Draft or Confidential. Next, choose Remove. When you click Remove, Acrobat targets the document's watermark settings and prepares to clear them across all pages. If your PDF has more than one watermark definition, Acrobat will remove them in one pass. You might see the translucent text disappear in the preview as confirmation. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Yes to finalize the removal. Acrobat will apply the change across the entire document. After that, save your file. I recommend using Save As to keep an untouched original and a clean, watermark-free version. If you don't see the watermark option, or if it's grayed out, the file might be protected or locked by the creator. In that case, you'll need the appropriate permissions or an unprotected version of the document. Also, if the watermark doesn't disappear after removal, it may have been flattened into the page as part of an image or created during scanning. In those situations, the remove command won't affect it, and you may need to ask for an editable source file or use OCR and standard content editing instead. That's it. Click Edit, click Watermark, click Remove, and confirm with Yes. With those few actions in Acrobat Pro, your PDF should be free of its text watermark and ready to share or archive responsibly.